Are you concerned about who can see what others post on your Facebook profile? In this video, we walk you through the steps to customize your privacy settings, giving you full control over who can view posts made by others on your profile. For this, first of all, open Facebook app on your phone. Then click on Profile at the top. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings. Scroll down and under Audience and Visibility tab on Profile and Tagging. The first setting is about who can post on your profile. It gives you two choices, Friends and Only Me. If you choose Friends, only your Facebook friends can see your profile. If you set Only Me, then you can only see your profile. Second is about who can see what others post on your profile. This setting controls the visibility of posts that other people create and tag on your profile, such as birthday wishes, photos you're tagged in, or wall posts. Let's select Friends for now. Now let's see who can see posts that you are tagged on your profile option. This setting controls the visibility of posts where you've been tagged by other people. This includes photos, videos, and other content. You can set it to Friends so that only your Facebook friend can tag you. You can also toggle on review tags that people add to your posts before tags appear on Facebook. This gives you the option to approve or decline a tag before it shows up on your profile. If someone who isn't your Facebook friend tags you in a post, you'll be asked to approve or decline it before it appears on your profile timeline. Turn on this option. If you approve, the person who tagged you and their friends may be able to see your post. The last option applies to posts rather than tags. Toggle this on too. It allows you to control your posts tagging by someone else before posting them on your Facebook timeline. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.